In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the toolbar or ribbon bar in Outlook. If you've ever found yourself a bit lost while navigating through Microsoft Outlook, you're not alone. Sometimes the ribbon, a crucial tool which holds most of Outlook's functions, can seem to vanish. Luckily, reintroducing it is a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's get started by heading to Microsoft Outlook. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click that sign in button. Make sure to have your login credentials handy, as you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your account. For a seamless experience, ensure the details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner, just below your profile. Look for a small arrow pointing downwards. This arrow is your gateway to all the settings we'll be needing today. Click on it. A drop down menu will appear once you click that arrow. From this menu there's an option labelled Classic Ribbon. This is what we're after. By selecting the Classic Ribbon, you'll unlock a fuller suite of features that Outlook has to offer, making your email management that much more efficient. If you'd like to have all those useful tools at your fingertips, make sure to select this option. And there you have it, your ribbon should now be visible, offering a more comprehensive range of functionalities for you to utilize. Remember, the ribbon is designed to enhance your productivity by bringing essential commands to the forefront, so exploring its features could bring significant convenience to your workflow. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Occasionally, Outlook updates might reset your customized settings, including the ribbon. Don't worry if you find yourself staring at a minimalist interface after an update. Just revisit these steps and you'll quickly restore your preferred setup. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, or if you have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and how-tos. Until next time, happy emailing.